Welcome to Share Inspirations, guys. Today I wanted to share with you comfrey plant divisions that I received in one of the plant exchanges that I did recently. It's supposed to be super cold hardy, cut and drop type of fertilizer, so I'm looking forward to that. Also a great pollinator for flowers, and then the flowers of course I can cut. So multi-purpose flower, multi-purpose plant. I did acquire seeds a while back, but didn't want to fuss with seeds because it's a perennial and it takes forever. Didn't have that kind of patience, so went with the plant somebody had. One of my plant friends in North Carolina sent this to me, so I was very happy about that. This is a Russian comfrey. It produces purple flowers, and the one good thing that I found about it was the fact that it has taproot that goes about 18 feet down, I guess. Gets all the nutrients from all the way down, brings them up in the leaf, and then you can cut those leaves and give those nutrients to other plants by fertilizer. So, and I already have this tagged, and I planted it near a tree since they say it could be invasive. Like I said, everything is invasive. However, I planted it next to a tree so it would not take over, struggle with the roots and whatnot. That was the comfrey, guys. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.